This is more like a metaphysical and epistemological experience they go through during mania. So what exactly is bipolar? You have different sorts of bipolar. You have bipolar 1, which is manic episodes. You have bipolar 2, which is hypomania. You have the third bipolar, which is considered cyclothymia or cyclothymia. And then you have bipolar 4, which is atypical, which doesn't technically.
So what do they all share in common? They are all capable. They are all a form of subliminal influence. Now,
And promiscuity.
Empathy a lot of times too, right?
Yeah, empathy. The flaws I see in the algorithm, and I publish on.
there's a sense of awareness and there's a sense of unawareness.
Sound, what is amplitude, frequency, velocity, why do we hear octave? But that's just from a physics perspective.
Self-explanatory.
Like precognition, premonition, clairvoyance, retrocognition, lucid dream, extrasensory perception.
Trajectory that occurs.
You can cross-disciplinary, multidisciplinary, transdisciplinary, and interdisciplinary areas.
Persuasion.